So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can trade gold at all-time high. So don't skip even a single minute of the video, otherwise you will miss a lot and you will never become profitable in gold because it is at all-time high right now. So first of all, as you are seeing here, my gold chart is open. This is how I trade gold, and I made like I do have a account size of 25K. That's a live account. And how am I trading gold? So trading gold, since it is at all time high, is like that. I have two simple strategies. First one I'll show you is like I'll just put a vertical line over here, right? Then the first strategy is like, see, you have to mark out this fair value gaps. I trade supply and demand, so I trade this fair value gap as well. My strategy is hybrid. I trade ICT 2 and supply and demand 2. So this is the fair value gap which I marked it. Don't skip even a single minute of this video. I'm telling you again and again. So this is the first strategy which I'm telling you. So when I come at 1 hour time frame, so this is our internal range liquidity, right? So our what is our target? Our target is this high, right? This is our target. This is our target, and again, when price tapped into this is our target. This equal highs were our target. Like it's like that keeps on. Then this equal lows, sorry, equal highs. I mean, price tapped into this. You can target this all range, all this low resistance liquidity run, right? Then again, when price tapped into this, you can target this high. My bias is bullish for Monday. So, right, this is the right now we are at 1 hour time frame. How what we did from the beginning? First, we went to daily time frame and marked out our internal edge liquidity. See, this is the fair value gap which we had marked. What is our target? The highs. Why? Because this is our external range liquidity. And how price do react? Price grow from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, and external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So when price taps into the internal range liquidity on lower time frame, this is a lower time frame. From daily we switch to 1 hour. So when price taps into the zone, we see a structure shift over here on 1 hour time frame, right? This is our change of character. So when price do a change of character on 1 hour time frame, what is the zone? What is the zone which caused the structure shift? So this is the zone which caused the structure shift, right? So I marked this as a our demand zone, right? Because this caused the demand which through this zone the change of character happened. This is our internal demand zone, right? We'll mark out all the internal demand zones. So you'll not be that confused. So now see, price swept the liquidity, price swept the low. There is no liquidity below here in the zone, and price did a breakup structure over here. But what we see is where is the paint brush? Okay, here it is. So what price did? Price did a normal pullback and then did a structure shift. So what is that? So the change of character happened over here, right? So what is the zone? Our zone is this. This is our demand zone, and this is a fair value gap. Don't skip video, not even a single minute. Otherwise, you will not get the strategy how to trade gold. at all time high. It's upon you how serious you are about the trading. It forms every time this setup, and you can become 100% profitable if you trade this setup. This is my one of the setup in my blueprint. So right, so this is the change of character happened over here, and this is the breakup structure. Breakup structure is more like change of character is more aggressive than breakup structure. So breakup structure happened over here. This is our breakup structure. So what caused the breakup structures? This zone, right? This demand zone caused the breakup structure. Then this is our daily zone, right? This is our internal range liquidity. When price tap into this, we don't see any structure shift over here. We see a structure shift over here, right? This is a structure shift. And what caused the structure shift? This high. This is a demand zone, right? See, now what you have to look and what you don't have to look in the strategy. If there is low resistance liquidity run below that zone, then you don't have to look for the setup because price will swap this liquidity. You need a clean liquidity swap. Clean liquidity swap, I'm telling you. If price would have swept this low, this week would have swept this low, then this zone would have been like a more profitability zone. But now this is not. So we don't consider this as a trade, right? These are a few modifications in the model. Then this is our zone because here the structure shift happened, the change of character happened. Price tapped into our zone, and here the change of character happened, right? I took this trade, and I don't know, I made something $70 on that trade. My fucking dog is barking. So this is a zone. I'll tell you, if you are familiar with supply and demand concept, then you will understand that this is the demand zone I'm in. This is a demand zone, right? So you can trade the in 1 hour time frame as well. You can directly trade this, like, but you will get less RR. Like if you will trade like this is your zone, so you will put your SLO here, and this is your TP. Still, you are getting 4 RR. That's quite good, but sometimes the trade won't work. Like, you have to switch to more lower time frame to get more like accuracy. You can enter from here like this, putting your stop loss to this fair value gaps low, then targeting this high, the equal highs. But you get stopped out over here. I'd never enter on the 1 hour time frame. My fucking dog is barking, man. See, oh yeah, you can trade like this also. If you want to keep things simple, then you can directly enter from here, put your stop loss here, and target any highs. By that, you can achieve at least 1:2 RR. Like this, you can trade. This setup failed because there is low resistance liquidity run over. So this setup failed. So this is how the things work on 1 hour time frame. Targeting this high, you can get 1:2, 1:3 RR easily if you are trading on 1 hour time frame too. But I don't trade like this. See, you have to refine it to lower time frame for accuracy. When you refine it, then you get more accuracy. Fuck, my subscription is over, I guess. No worry. So, and my recording is on. See, so this is the zones. This is a change of character of 1 hour, right? So when price taps into the zones, so this is our zone, right? This is our zone. when price taps into this, we have to look for structure shift. So this is not correct. Like, so this is a zone when price tapped into, this is 1 hour zone, this imbalance is 1 hour. When price tapped into this, we need a 1 hour structure shift. I took this trade as well. So when price tapped into this, then we don't get a structure shift over here. Then price come again below. So this is like area of interest where you have to see a structure shift. If you want to see, you need to see a structure shift. So this cause a change of character over here. And this is our zone. This is our lower time frame demand zone, right? And this is how you can enter easily. I took this trade. And you can target this easily. This highs, right? This equal highs. You have to learn about liquidity if you are trading the ICT or supply and demand concept. So your TP was hit in like 2 hours, I guess. This was your engineered liquidity. This equalize, right? This was your target. I took this trade, but I closed my position on this fair value gap because I thought price will go, price will respect this one, but it didn't respect that. This was your first trade, and then you can get a lot of trades if you trade this concept. See, when price tapped into our demand zone, we get a structure shift over here, right? And we, fucking dog, man. This is our demand zone, right? I took this trade as well. This is our lower time frame demand zone. My god. So when price tapped into this, what I told you that we need a clean structure shift. The low which caused the swap, I mean the low of swap, you have to put that as your SL. Why that? You have to think about it. Like, see, here there is no clean swap. It is engineered liquidity. So price will obviously swap this low. So if if this would have been a clean swap, then our entry would be like this. But it is not clean swept. It is equal lows here. So we have to keep our SL on this low. So this is our entry. Oh, my bad. What we have to target? The external range. So this is the external range, right? This is very simple strategy. You can it literally use it. It's like 1:6 hour. Imagine you can pass this. You can pass any, I mean, funded account in this strategy using this strategy. I don't see any zone over here. I didn't mark that, so here it is. So this is a our 1 hour zone, right? When price tapped into this, right. When price tapped into our 1 hour zone, this is the structure shift over here, right? This is our lower time frame structure shift on 5 minutes, right? Because price tapped into 1 hour zone and 5 minutes structure shift happened over here. And this is our imbalance. This is our imbalance. So this is our entry. Our SL would go over here on this low, targeting external range. This is our target. Look at that shit, man. It's literally 10 hour. So this is the simplest strategy I use to pass any funded account. Thank you for watching this video. I do have another strategy as well. If you want to know that strategy, then you can comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like that.